Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretobeCreative, and I am here with my this month's project share. This month is with Poetspice, and this is the purse, box it, and bag collab. I think I said it right. We're not looking with the title. Of course, the title will be actually on the name of the video. What we're supposed to do for the next 12 months is we are supposed to use any kind of box, any kind of bag, or any kind of purse. It could be a die, it could be a SVG, it could be handmade, but we need to use one of those three products, and we need to stuff it with something, whatever you like to stick inside of it. So that's why we call it the Stuff It collab. So you know, you could pick any one of those. It can be paper, it could be fabric, it could be felt. So we're not limited to materials as well. So hopefully you see a lot of creativity in this. Hopefully you follow along with our collab. And of course, as always, whenever I'm in a collab, I always list the participants that are the collaborators in the Show Me More box, so that you can go check them out and be inspired to subscribe to their channel, because of course they're awesome crafters. So what I did was I followed her theme for the month. This month was winter, and you had options. You didn't have to follow that, but you could. And I followed it because I was making something for some crafty friends, and this kind of went along with the theme. So I made these. What I ended up doing was pulling out the small Tonic Studios Dimensions die, which is called Delicate Gesture box. It contains 9 dies, so you can kind of see that right there. And of course, you know, I got it from my spot TM. If you follow me, you know that's where I got it from, and I got it for $3.99, so that was an awesome price. And as you can see, it fits inside my hand, so you know it's not going to be that large. But you know, I figured with the gesture box, you know, you have several different configurations you could do, because it's one outline of the die, and then they have different inserts. So 2 of the inserts cut in like filigree into the paper, and then the other 2 have labels. One is a round edge and one is a scalloped edge. And then you have a tagged heart that can be a full heart, or you can put the filigree inside of the tagged heart. So you have options as to how you want to do that. So I used this die in my paper that I chose, which had the winter theme, which was snow and cocoa. I used my 12x12 pad, which I'm mad that I cut that up to make these, because they're small. I could have used my 6x6 paper pad. But I grabbed that one first, and after I cut up all my papers, I'm like, oh, darn it, I forgot. Should have grabbed the 6x6 pad. So anyway, I will show you what I did. I just tried to make them into different combinations so you can kind of see what the die does. Now, these are filled with candy. They all have some Jolly Ranchers and some Hershey Kisses inside of there, so it's 4 pieces of candy. I tried to put a votive in there, but the votive was actually too tall, so a tea light would fit, but I had votives at the time. So this one, I used a scalloped edge, and I backed it with white. So this is an overlay on top of it, and then this is the heart cutting with filigree and white, backed in white, and it already comes hole punch. And I double tied it. I tied it this under here, these 2 layers, and then I tied it on top with these 2 layers with some twine or some jute. And this one is one of the filigree ones where the sides are already cut. You cut into the sides. And of course, you could also do the solid, but I decided to try all these different designs out because I want to see what they look like. And then I did the solid heart. This one I layered the heart as well, and then this one again I cut into the filigree, but this time I backed the filigree backing with white so you can't see through it. Here's another different filigree design, and that's a solid heart. So again, they all have different designs, so that's what's pretty neat. 4 different designs, and then you can make multiple combinations. So again, I backed that one, and then this one is another layered on top of the paper with backed in white paper. And this heart is not backed, so you can kind of see what that looks like. And then this one is backed with the white. So those are my 6 little ones that I made. Again, these are little treats to go along with another thing that I'm working on for some of my little crafty friends. And so if they're watching, they know they'll get it. But anyway, so that is my submission for this month, and then come and check us out next month, and hopefully you'll be inspired to pull out some of your boxes, bags, or purses and make something creative as well. So take care, God bless, and I dare you to be creative. Bye.